Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related content. You're watching a review of the KryptoGo crypto price tracking app. Find links to the product in the description below. We'll be exploring its features, target audience, and overall performance for tracking your crypto assets. KryptoGo presents itself as a powerful yet user-friendly application designed for tracking cryptocurrency prices. It aims to serve both newcomers to the crypto space and seasoned traders, offering real-time price updates for a wide array of cryptocurrencies, from established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum to numerous altcoins. The app aggregates data from multiple exchanges, providing a comprehensive overview of market prices across various platforms. This cross-platform price comparison feature empowers users to make more informed trading decisions and potentially identify the best value for their investments. A key feature of KryptoGo is its integrated portfolio tracker. This tool allows users to effortlessly monitor their holdings, track profits and losses, and analyze performance over specific timeframes. The app supports a variety of wallets and exchanges, making it particularly useful for individuals managing diversified crypto portfolios. Furthermore, customizable price alerts ensure users stay informed about significant market fluctuations and price changes without constantly monitoring the app. For users who appreciate personalization, KryptoGo offers customizable watch lists. This allows users to focus specifically on their preferred cryptocurrencies and closely monitor their performance. The app boasts a clean and intuitive interface, designed for easy navigation, even for those new to the crypto world. Detailed charts further enhance the user experience, enabling in-depth analysis of price trends for more informed decision-making. Whether you're a casual investor dipping your toes into the crypto market or an active trader constantly engaged in the fast-paced world of digital assets, KryptoGo is marketed as a tool for crypto enthusiasts seeking an efficient way to track prices, manage portfolios, and stay abreast of market trends. Regardless of your experience level, from beginner to seasoned veteran, KryptoGo aims to provide a comprehensive suite of features to enhance your crypto tracking experience. In summary, KryptoGo appears to be a robust app for tracking crypto prices, managing your portfolio, and staying informed about market developments. With customizable features, price alerts, and a user-friendly interface, it positions itself as a comprehensive crypto tracking solution for users of all levels.